So today we're going to do a quick 10-minute yoga, yin yoga with a block. So if you have a chunky block, I like it for a little bit more support, but you can use the thinner block. You could use some sort of stack of books all belted together or something like that. Just something for a little support. All right, let's get started. All right, so we're going to start lying down. Take the block, place it across the back, the upper back. So we're going to need a little heart opener. So make sure it's not jabbing in anywhere and just let yourself be supported by the block so you get a little bit of a heart opener, a chest opener. So the back of your head will be resting on the mat, your sacrum will be resting on the mat. And make sure you're at a non-painful level. And we're just going to start to soften in here. So just let your shoulders gently roll back. You might like to notice how your heart feels here, physically, emotionally, spiritually. Sometimes it's easy for us to feel automatically open-hearted, and sometimes it's a little bit more difficult. So we might know that there's an entire yoga practice of bhakti yoga, our heart-centered yoga, our compassionate yoga. So you might take the time today to notice if this is a path that resonates with you. If you tend to be emotional, you might send those emotions, the positive emotions, out to those who need it. We don't need to get discouraged. You can send out those loving vibes, those loving prayers, if you will. So you might notice the throat open here. We're just going to gently press your elbows down so you can lift the chin. And now we'll lift the torso as well. And we're just going to change this to a little bit of a hip opener. So go ahead and wiggle your knees side to side, little windshield wipers. And then we're going to take the block and place it across the lower back, the sacrum area, the bony part. This could be at the lowest level, mediumist, or even the highest if it is okay for your lower back. You can have your knees bent, or if it's okay for you today, you can straighten out the legs. So if you have the legs straightened out, it's going to be a little bit more of an opener on the front of the thighs. Your hands could be on your chest, on your body, or out to the sides, maybe wide out to the sides for this version. And once again, like our usual yin poses, we're just going to kind of allow gravity to take us into the pose. So keep relaxing the spine, the torso. You don't really need to put any efforts in. Relaxing the face and jaw, maybe noticing where we are holding on to, emotional tension. Do we want to get into a little forgiveness today? We know that holding on to old hurts is like we're holding on to a hot coal, right? The only thing that we are doing is harming ourselves by really grasping onto, I need to hold on to that hot coal. All right, we can just start to loosen our grip a little bit. We're probably not going to forget, so we can at least just relax it a little bit. Relax the grip. Relax that tension. Relax the heart. Release the heart. Come back to the breath. Let the legs be heavy for a couple more breaths. And then we'll start to bend the knees if they are not already. And then just press into the feet so we can release the block from under the hips. And set the hips back down. Take a moment in a neutral spine. Yeah, it might feel good to, again, windshield wiper the knees to release the lower back. Bringing a little movement, a little circulation back. And then option to grab the block again, and we're going to place it underneath the hips, but a little bit more towards the left. So we're going to take it into our final twist with the block. So take your right knee in. You might need to kind of adjust a little bit. You're going to take the right knee over to the left. So you'll end up with the block underneath the outside of the left hip. So it might give you a little bit of a massage there. You can extend the right arm to the right. You might gaze to the right. We won't be here for a super long time, so just try to relax into your final twist. As if we could twist out anything we don't need mentally, emotionally today. Letting any of those old situations go, they're in the past. And come back to our present moment, our breath. And let's inhale. We're just going to return to the center. You can press your hips down or your feet down to adjust the block under the hips, more under to the right. And then you can extend the right leg out, bend the left knee, and twist to the right. Again, once you get the block where you need it, you can extend out through your left arm, and you might gently gaze to the left. Remembering that we are all just human, all doing our best. So, of course, we ourselves have also probably made errors. And we would also like to be forgiven for our errors. So why not bring a little forgiveness to our own hearts? Now let it go. And then we'll gently inhale as we release it again back to center. Go ahead and remove your block. And we're just going to roll over onto your favorite side for a moment. And then press yourself up eventually, once again, to a comfortable seat. And thank you so much for sharing your practice and your beautiful efforts today with me. The divine in me sees, bows to the divine in you. Namaste.